Here's everything you need to know about repairing a popcorn ceiling. First, you want to clean the damaged area by misting the surface with water, scraping away any damaged texture. Next, you want to sand the drywall and spot prime with a stain-blocking primer. Next, you want to prepare it to texture. You want to shake the can for 1 full minute after you hear that marble start to rattle. You may not hear that marble immediately, but it'll come. You can also practice spraying on a piece of cardboard to familiarize yourself with the product and to practice matching to your existing pattern. Now, you're ready to retexture the area. Apply the texture in a continuous circular motion, feathering the texture into the existing pattern. Once that's dry, if you need to, you can go ahead and paint the area to match the existing color. For more Homax projects and product information, check out homaxproducts.com.